In the world of motorcycle customization, creativity often comes from the ability to combine the unthinkable. And that's exactly what the German craftsmen at RF-Biketech have achieved with their latest project. Known for crafting some of the most elegant and aggressive cafe racers, especially based on BMW K100s, this time they've taken a completely different path. Their latest creation is a stunning bobber that merges the bones of a Honda VT600C Shadow with the soul and power of a Kawasaki W650. The result is a machine that blends Japanese engineering with European artistry, delivering a one-of-a-kind two-wheeled masterpiece. The project started humbly enough with a Honda VT600C, also known as the Shadow VLX, but very little of the original bike remains. RF-Biketech decided to retain only the fuel tank and frame from the Honda, while replacing almost everything else. Powering this unique bobber is the air-cooled 676cc parallel twin from the Kawasaki W650, an engine renowned for its smooth torque delivery and classic mechanical charm. The engine was fully refurbished and treated to a host of performance upgrades, including high-end pod air filters and a completely hand-fabricated exhaust system. This custom stainless steel exhaust is the star of the show, elegantly high-mounted on the bike's left side. Each pipe curves upward with perfect symmetry, fitted with custom heat shields that give the bike a raw yet refined industrial edge. The combination of the W650's smooth engine note and the handcrafted exhaust's deep tone makes this bobber as thrilling to hear as it is to see. RF-Biketech didn't stop at engine work. They turned their attention to the chassis and suspension setup to ensure the bike handles as good as it looks. The front end now features forks sourced from a Kawasaki ZX-9R sport bike held in place by precision-machined billet aluminum triple clamps. This upgrade dramatically improves stability and control while adding a touch of modern sportiness to the classic silhouette. Braking performance is handled by a top-tier Behringer caliper paired with a drilled rotor, offering exceptional stopping power. Up on the handlebars, a clean LSL unit sit Moto Gadget grips, discrete switches, and bar-end LED indicators. The cockpit is minimal and functional with a single Moto Gadget speedometer mounted neatly above the new LED headlight. As the eye travels rearward, the attention to detail becomes even more apparent. The VT600's tank has been reshaped and topped with a Monza-style filler cap, adding a vintage touch. A hand-stitched black leather bobber saddle sits perfectly over the custom rear frame, designed for both comfort and style. Adjustable Wilbur's shocks handle rear suspension duties, while the minimalist rear fender integrates an LED taillight at its tip, framed by tiny turn signals. The license plate is cleverly mounted on the rear axle to maintain the bike's clean, uncluttered appearance. The electrical system has been completely redone using a Moto Gadget control unit, ensuring reliability and modern functionality. RF-Biketech also equipped the bike with new spoked wheels, a 19-inch front and a 16-inch rear, both wrapped in Avon Cobra Chrome tires for superior grip and aesthetics. The final touch is a dark metallic green paint job that gives the motorcycle a sophisticated yet rebellious personality. Every part of this build speaks to RF-Biketech's philosophy, mixing craftsmanship, performance, and timeless style. The marriage of Honda's robust frame and Kawasaki's classic power plant is unconventional but brilliantly executed. The finished motorcycle represents more than just a blend of parts. It's a tribute to creativity, mechanical passion, and the limitless possibilities of custom engineering.